Okay, 2008 Infiniti G37. Okay, right now that's an acceptable signal as far as the car is concerned. There's the cluster. Basically stable, but the lights are on. Problem's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in, I'm going to move this terminal up and down, and we're going to watch what happens here. There you go. See it? Lift it up ever so slightly. And there goes the cluster. It's pushing this terminal right here.
This is another issue I've seen with this scope meter. Here we've got it on AC voltage, and it's telling me it's 1.8. I've got 3 meters tied together. It's roughly 19. Now when I disconnect the power, 90% of the time it will come back and read right voltage. But there's a small percentage where it gets off by a factor of 10, at least in the 20 volt AC area.